This is a video overview on the Honeywell QuietCare Humidifiers, models HCM 6009 TGT, the 9-gallon, and the HCM 6012i, the 11-gallon. This Honeywell QuietCare humidifier quietly helps soothe dry air discomforts. It has multiple humidity control options. The air washing filter helps capture dust and pollen, plus your humidifier stays cleaner longer with ProTech Continuous Cleaning, which includes a ProTech cleaning cartridge to help provide fresher, cleaner mist, and a ProTech treated filter to help prevent the growth of mold and bacteria on the filter. This humidifier features large casters for easy movement, a tank window for easy monitor of water level, and it's up to 30% quieter. It includes 2 air washing filters, 2 ProTech antimicrobial cleaning cartridges, 1 humidifier, and an instruction manual.